Friday. We've been on this 5 days now, so you can see we've built the structure, built all the framework. This part here will be the office. French doors here. It's 3.6 that wide, 3 metres deep. There'll be a window over here with an opener, and there's another glazed panel there. Over here, there'll be a floor-to-ceiling glazed panel there. It'll be all clad in cedar. Then there'll be a little letterbox window on there. This will be clad, so we've cut this back at an angle so she still gets the light through her kitchen window there. And on here there'll be a cedar clad door which leads onto the storeroom where there'll be a consumer unit, bits and bobs like that. So what we're going to do now, we're going to clad it in OSB. We've braced it, it's all racked, it's all plumb and straight. So we're going to OSB it all and then hopefully get some breathable membrane, and that'll be us done for the week. So it's Friday, with 5 days we're on this. We had a bit of a slow start. We're at the ground obviously. We've got us concrete piles in, we've got us base in, insulated the base, we've built the framework, and we've clad it in OSB to make it structurally sound. So like I said, the French doors there, the corner window here with an opening window, that's coming out, that's just temporary, just all the roof there. The window for all that detail there. So it's a decent sized office. He's got 3 metres deep, 3.6 wide. It's good space, and then on the side here, which we haven't cut out yet, there'll be a full light window there going in there. There's a letterbox window there, and around here there'll be a cedar clad door into the storeroom. Gives them plenty of storage space and some natural light coming in as well. I'm getting a lot of phone calls now, inquiries, so if you want one of these you need to make your mind up and give me a ring and get your emails in and get sorted, otherwise you're not going to get me this year, I don't think. Thank you.